It's a pretty good amount of seasoning.
Hey, today we're going to take you in the kitchen and really super chill, relaxed, casual, give you a really quick Meat Church Honey Hog barbecue review and demonstration on how we used it to season smoked chicken thighs. Now, it's traditionally more of a pork rub or pork seasoning, but I like to use it as a chicken seasoning as well. It does have a sweet hint to the flavor, and it is really good on things like smoked pork ribs.
Good.
I love it, yeah. This shot is like a beautiful angle and everything. You could just use the Honey Hog Meat Church seasoning just on the chicken as is, but we added in some olive oil as well, just like a tablespoon or two. There are about 8 chicken thighs that we're smoking for this recipe.
It's a pretty good amount of seasoning.
Now, we go through our Meat Church seasonings pretty quickly, but this Honey Hog barbecue rub, we actually go through faster than any others whenever I buy a sample or pack. So it does last maybe about 4 to 6 months in our house. It's pretty versatile to use all the time.
Okay.
This is probably one of the least spicy barbecue rubs that Meat Church offers, which is why I think it's really good for things that we make that our son is going to eat as well. In it, there are things like sugar, salt, some honey powder, which they say is refined syrup and honey, some spices including paprika, dehydrated garlic, celery, and it's a really colorful, beautiful seasoning that looks good on the food. So here you can see we also applied this honey barbecue rub. You can find another explanation on Sip Bite Go about the honey barbecue rub that we put on top. It did add more flavor to it and kind of made these chicken thighs that were smoked pretty like candied tasting and textured. They were really good. So here's just another shot of us liberally applying the honey barbecue rub. I hope you've enjoyed this review. It's really a great rub to have. I think anyone would enjoy it as a foodie gift for a birthday or holiday or something like that, but it's also good to gift yourself and have in your pantry for any smoker recipe, grill recipe, or even just using like making pulled pork in the crock pot is something we'll use it for. So don't forget to check out Sip Bite Go for some other really delicious smoker recipes. I have everything from turkey to tri-tip to smoked wings, which are really delicious with this Meat Church seasoning as well. I have some turkey recipes, some ham, you name it. So check those videos out, and until next time, have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!